488 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 488. Therefore, 488 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 16.0104986876 feet. So, in other words, 488 centimeters equals 16.0104986876 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.